This reminds me of my situation or what it could turn into. The difference is I'm not a young person living at home with my dad. I'm a single lady living with my twin daughters who are 18.
Get off the porch. James, no.
A Ring doorbell camera captures the terrifying moment when a woman's ex-boyfriend is shot and killed by her father. It happened on July 31st in Sydney, Ohio. Allison Duckrew says she and her mother returned home from breakfast when her ex-boyfriend approached the front door. When no one answers the door, the man starts to get physical. Through all this, Allison places a call to 911.
There's some guy on my front porch, and he won't leave, and he's got his hands behind his back, and he won't answer me on the ring. Okay. But he left me a voicemail on my phone last night.
That voicemail came from 22-year-old James Rail, who Allison says she dated several years ago.
Hi, Allie. It's James. I just wanted to reach out to you because I just wanted to see how you're doing. It's been a while since I've talked to you, and I feel like it. I don't know what I feel. I do know that I do want to talk to you, though. I do. It'd be nice. It'd be sweet.
Allison later tells investigators she did not return the call.
And he tried to contact me a couple times, and I've ignored it. And then last night he called me at 11:40. I didn't answer. He left me a voicemail saying, "Hey, let's talk." I didn't answer him.
After Rail breaks through the family's door, Allison's father, Mitchell Duckrew, calls out with a warning. Seconds later, 3 shots are fired in Rail's direction.
Getting further.
Please hurry, I'm sorry.
Ma'am?
Yeah?
What's going on?
He broke through the door and my dad shot at him.
Ring footage shows Rail falling to the ground before dragging himself toward the family's garage. Soon after, several neighbors approached the scene.
He tried to break in and get to our daughter.
Okay, well, he's not moving. He'll have a gun.
He broke our door in.
Did you shoot him?
Yes.
Oh, shit. Okay. Call 911.
We're on the phone with them right now.
Meanwhile, Allison remains on the line with 911 and can be heard comforting her father.
Dad, you're the best dad ever. You just saved my life.
I know I got Fort Laramie. It's gonna be Fort Laramie.
No, you saved my life, Dad.
Do what?
As the Duckrew family stays inside the home, neighbors outside monitor the situation.
Dude, I don't...
You better hurry up and get an ambulance now.
Oh, my gosh. Hey, did you already tell them, Alan?
Yeah.
Did
You tell him he shot? He's dead? He's shot?
He's gone. He's dead.
Dude, he's about ready to die. Yeah, I hear him. He's dead. He died.
Several minutes after gunshots rang out, officers arrived to the scene.
Where's the guy with the gun?
The guy's dead right here.
Where's the guy with the gun?
Inside the house. He's the homeowner. The guy tried to break in the house.
Okay.
And the guy was just basically protecting himself.
We're right here.
Okay, you guys have your gun down?
Yeah, we're right here.
Officers enter the home and secure the weapon used in the shooting. After that, the Duckrew family explains how the situation began and quickly escalated.
Was he following all 3 of you or just you? Just you two? And you were already home?
Yeah, we just came back from breakfast. And knew where I was.
Okay.
He just followed me and zipped into my driveway. Knew where I was.
Okay.
He just followed me and zipped into my driveway.
Allison tells officers she had no communication with Rail for several years until he called her out of the blue.
How he talking on the phone, I should have known he was going to do something stupid.
Body camera footage also shows Allison embracing her father and later sitting next to him near the family pool. At the same time, other officers secure the situation in the front of the home and speak with neighbors.
So we're here next door and all this
I heard the
went down,
gunshots and I seen him drop and
invasion. The homeowner. I mean, you see a body laying there.
An Ohio grand jury later declined to indict homeowner Mitchell Duckrew in the shooting based on stand your ground laws in the state. For the latest developments in this story and all things true crime, stay with Law and Crime Network. I'm Sierra Gillespie.
The thing is, our endings could be totally different. You see, Dana has a gun. He's not supposed to have a gun, but his mother gave him one, so he has a handgun. And he, in the middle of the night, Tuesday, it was in the middle of the night, there was a crack in the door. Okay, that video. What took place is I got home from picking up my daughters from Arby's. 15 minutes later, after all three of us were home, me and my twin daughters, it appears that the person has a key to our house because there's no damage during the lock part, but there was a big thud. And then I noticed the door being cracked open. So it took some time from hearing it, my daughter noticing, telling me about it, and then me seeing the door. And it's just scary. And just like that video, everybody's oblivious. You tell people, but no one cares. Another thing that makes this even more scary is before I started documenting and creating this channel, there was a time that every single doorknob in the house was loose, to the bathroom, to each door, to the bedroom. So no matter if you tried to run and hide and shut the door, the knobs just disintegrated. It's like he had a plan. The doorknobs just disintegrated, and I had to get a tool out and fix all of my doorknobs in the house. Well, looking at my door, that screw was loose, and it looks like Dana tried to unscrew the screw so that way when he unlocked the door and used his shoulder weight to bust off the hotel lock, hoping it was going to disintegrate like the doorknobs. And he possibly did that the night that he left his cigarette butt in my house for me to notice. And my coworker Connie, she told me her daughter died of a heroin overdose, and that heroin and meth users, they peel back the filter off of the cigarette butt just like that to use it before when they heat it up, and then they put it in the syringe so that way it's filtered before they inject it. So it appears he's using meth still. And that's probably why he said he was taking at least a week off of work. It's been about 2 weeks, getting close to that, and he just came home now.